In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hootsuite in just about 5 minutes. Navigating the digital world can be quite the challenge, especially when you're looking to get in touch with customer support for your favored social media management tools like Hootsuite, whether you're facing a technical glitch, have a billing question, or simply need guidance on how to maximize the platform's features. Knowing how to quickly reach out for help can save you not just time, but also a great deal of frustration. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video you'll be equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly contact Hootsuite's support team. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Hootsuite website. This is your gateway to accessing a wide array of resources, including their customer support. It's as simple as typing www.hootsuite.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. The homepage serves as a launching pad not just for support, but also for exploring the platform's features and pricing plans, should that be on your agenda. Once you're on the Hootsuite homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will redirect you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. For many, it's a straightforward step, but it's crucial as accessing specific account-related support options requires you to be logged into your account. Now it's time to enter your email address. This should be the email you use to register for Hootsuite. Type it carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in. Following your email, you will need to enter your password. Once you've typed in your password correctly, look for the Sign In button and click on it. If your credentials are entered accurately, you should be successfully logged into your account and directed to the Hootsuite dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control room for managing your social media profiles and campaigns. From the dashboard, locating the support section is your next move. To do this, search for a question mark icon, often positioned somewhere around the top or side of the page. This icon typically signifies help or support in most digital platforms, and Hootsuite is no different. Once you click on the question mark icon, a menu will unfold. Here you're looking for an option labeled Contact Support or something along those lines, usually found under a section titled Help and Resources. The exact wording might vary, but the essence remains the same. It's your link to getting the help you need. Clicking on Contact Support will initiate a new phase in your quest for assistance. A chat box should appear, signaling that you're in the right place to express your concerns, ask questions, or report issues. This is the moment where you can articulate the help you require. Whether it's a detailed description of a technical problem you're facing, a billing-related query, or a request for guidance on utilizing specific features, make sure to provide as much detail as possible. Doing so enhances the likelihood of receiving precise and helpful support. That's pretty much it. By following these steps, you place yourself in a position to effectively communicate with Hootsuite's support team, all within the comfort of the platform's dashboard. Remember, clear and detailed communication is key when interacting with customer support. By thoroughly explaining your issue or question, you help the support team understand your needs, enabling them to provide the most accurate and helpful assistance possible. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to contacting Hootsuite's support team quickly and efficiently. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll find that getting the help and answers you need is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy social media managing,